do just a little video. This is just what I do in the mornings, trying to feed my geese and stuff. Trick of feeding the geese is keep something in between you and them. And yeah, the animals like to sit under my house, so I have to weekly clean out all the jelly beans. See, jelly beans. This is 22% layer feed. The ducks need at least, I'm pretty sure they're saying like 24, 22 or something like that. As close as I could get to it. And chickens only need like 16 to 18, and since they free range all the 10 acres, there's more than enough protein out there for them to get. So if they lack a couple percentage, it's no big deal, but right now they're getting a little extra. Hey dude, ow, come on. It's not yours yet. So I definitely like these little feed containers. You can stack them up and just kind of carry them all together. Yup. I need that bat. Yeah. Yeah. Then we'll just get an extra one. Just for the little chickens and whatnot. So I actually have 2 coops. The first chickens I got stayed in there. They all started getting ducks. I tried to transition them over here. They didn't really like it, so they kind of just started sleeping under the house, and I kind of just didn't really do nothing about it. So that's where they sleep. These are the guys that sleep under the house. They didn't like the old coop no more, and they didn't take to the new one. I also have a few Bantam hens in there. I have Serama and Bantam. A little mixture going on here. There's the Serama rooster right there. Yeah. Baby guy. Little guy. Here the ducks in here trying to break out. The geese are hyping them up. Back up, I let your buddies out. They love the ducks. Only the peckins though. So I try to just go to a different part of the yard every day. Stay up, I just come out here and let the chickens feed out here. So I'll start the main chicken frenzy. He got scared. So, and we'll come over here. The ducks and geese can't really pick it off the ground as well, so I kind of baby them. Hey, get my fingers. So the geese usually get their own bowl just because they're so aggressive. Nobody really likes to eat with them. And they just got to figure out what bowl they want. And here comes the ducks. They're like, oh yeah. See, he kind of blends in with the little peckins, the white rooster. So the geese don't really get on to him too much about that. They let him eat. You can see this is mainly kind of like a duck feeding area. So I have like a bucket of water over there, or a bin of water I should say. And try to switch them out every day. I have a few other buckets I switch them out with, but they're being used right now. Kind of need to buy some new ones. But yes, that's one thing. Just grab this little broom, sit there and just kind of scrape it off a little bit. The ducks get this stuff so nasty in just one day. They just put it on the ground, or they put their beak in the ground on the mud, and then they put it in the water, put the water on the ground, make it more muddy, and just back and forth. And they get full of water in no time. So I just set that back up here. Rinse that off after I rinse this bucket out. And honestly, I don't stress it too much because after I fill this up, they'll go over their tight little pond area and drink that water before they even think about drinking this water every time. So I got my goats over there, got the dog in there with them. I don't know where the other one is, but it's a little goat house right there. Yeah, they sleep right up there on the ledge. Had to actually move the grills a little bit off the walls just so that they don't defecate on them. This 7-gallon water here, I can't, I don't like to fill it up because the ducks will make the bottom of it so nasty, and then whenever it gurgles, it sucks the dirt water right on the inside of it, and then I have 7 gallons of some nasty dirt water. And I'd rather just be able to dump it out and put it back in and stuff like that. Makes it a little easier. The easier, the better. So that's them for this morning. They'll go out and just start wandering around, do their own thing. Oh. Okay then. So you can see how one chicken, how small she is. She won't even get any bigger than that. She's already about 3 or 4 months old, so she should be actually a couple months away from laying an egg. And we'll probably pair her up with that guy over there, because he is cool looking, but he is small. It's as big as he'll get. And believe it or not, he's the strongest rooster I have, the most personality driven one. This guy right here does not even play with him. And she's trying to break into the food, huh? Don't worry, I got the food locked up. You can't get it. It's okay. She's the biggest hen that I have. He's actually the biggest rooster and the fastest out of all of them. Yeah. You see doggies over there. Close the food, so I can't play with that. There's some for the goats over there. The goat heads. They sure know how to use that head, that's for sure. They are buttholes. Whenever they're out, they'll come walk right up behind you and then just bump the back of your knee. Hit you on the backside so you just fall. Yeah, I have to get in there and do your water first, don't I? Don't I? Don't I? These guys are about 2 years old. They grew up together. She's like, whoa. Whoa.